I'm Eva Pasco. I look after Cybersalon, and we're here in Soutbank helping with the big Web We Want festival organized by Tim Berners-Lee.
Well, we're here to talk about the Digital Bill of Rights. We're talking about the things that we'd like enshrined in some legislation, or at least in best behaviour for companies which collect data within this country. You know, who owns your online identity? What do people do with your data? Is your data yours? Is the information that you provide by clicking through a link or a hyperspot something that someone else is going to use, possibly to earn money or possibly just to keep information on you?
As a teacher, I think it's really important for us to be able to educate children, especially on social media and all of those sorts of things. Because as they grow up, I think it's they don't realise how vulnerable they actually are and how much information they are providing to others.
They do not need to become programmers or coders or scientists. They may become lawmakers or lawyers. And it's really important to understand how the computer works, how code works, in order to be able to grasp the possibilities of the technology and the space of the internet.
We think our mobile devices and our internet traffic is quite private. I think we're quite well protected. So this is a piece of software called Wireshark, and this picks up all the stuff that's going on Wi-Fi right here. If you dig into this, you can track different devices and kind of get a good sense of what they're doing, the websites they're visiting. Somebody's using Dropbox here. I know already that there is a couple of people with Apple phones and Motorola phones here using them, just to kind of expose how vulnerable it actually all is.
Everything's so convenient and we treasure our convenience. I don't have to think about too much shit. But that's kind of abdicating responsibility. Is that just that mentality of click, it's okay? What if I agree to? It doesn't matter, it's not going to come back on me at any time. They can't, but of course it does, or it can.
Well, what I quite found interesting is I didn't realise, how much, data, is collected to different websites. Because I find it quite annoying sometimes that, I go on a website, let's say I want to shop something, and I start surfing, and every other website I go to, let's say Guardian or whatever, I get those advertisements of that product that I was looking for. So obviously someone is collecting data from me.
We've got the Mozilla Foundation's Lightspeed working, which shows you all the companies that talk to every website that you go to. The smallest number we found this morning has been roughly 8, and so far the occasional site produces hundreds of referrals.
So Tim Berners-Lee is campaigning for a Magna Carta for the internet, for a global set of principles that will make the rights of everybody using it protected. So we're campaigning for the kind of like a mini Magna Carta for UK specifically.
So what we have done is that we have drafted 8 pledges that we are asking people to adopt and discuss with us online in a forum. And then in September, we are planning to submit a draft of the Bill of Rights in the UK Parliament for debate.
And it's really important because at the moment, politically, we're nowhere with digital rights. Politicians don't understand. They have weird agendas influenced by big business. And we don't understand it, as a public as well. It's kind of something we need to engage with and discuss.
As well as seeing as a person as just, like a biological entity, and that's it. We're also the information we create and the information we share. And we should be able to protect that and have control of that.
And we're hoping to kind of contribute to that and put forward this Digital Bill of Rights so that we can protect our data a little bit better, and we're not at the mercy of dubious political intentions and big data.
A tool for communities rather than a tool for corporations and governments. It should be a tool for communities and for individuals.
Make it work for us, as it were.